Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this Nissan Qashqai Premiere Edition. It's a 2021 model boasting the 1.3 litre petrol engine and manual transmission. This car comes from only one previous owner with 31,000 miles on the clock and a full dealership service history present. It's finished in that fantastic ceramic grey gloss paintwork which looks incredible paired with the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car also benefits from rear privacy glass and chrome exterior detailing for a great look to the vehicle, and you do also have automatic LED headlights offering fantastic visibility. Moving into the boot space here, you can see the Qashqai offers an incredible amount of storage space with extra storage found beneath the boot floor as well. And then if we head into the rear seats, you can see you've got 3 full-size seats in the rear with the outer 2 offering ISO fixed points if you do happen to need them. Into the driver's interior, you've got controls on the door card for your electric windows and door mirrors. You can see you've got the flat bottom sports steering wheel there with piano black detailing throughout. The car also offers sports seating in the front along with a panoramic sunroof offering plenty of light into the vehicle. Now the steering wheel is multifunction with volume and media controls available on there along with the cruise control and speed limiter, and then if we take a look up at the dials you can see you've got your exact mileage and trip information available along with access to your assistance features and some of your media features too, so you can make adjustments on the go. Now the car also benefits from selectable driving modes including Sport, Standard and Eco, each of which offering a slightly different driving experience. The Qashqai also benefits from a head-up display offering a digital speedometer. Moving across to the media screen here, you can see the Qashqai offers plenty of different features, including full Bluetooth connectivity for safely taking and making phone calls while out on the go. Now the car also provides access to DAB, FM and AM radio wavebands, or you can stream music via USB, Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, so you've got plenty of choice when it comes to listening to music. Now you do also have the full satellite navigation system on offer, so you can easily plan routes and check out any nearby points of interest. You can also customise the system menu to your liking and have your different features provided on the screen. When you pop the car into reverse, it will display the around view monitor which consists of your 360-degree camera, making manoeuvres nice and easy. You've also got dual zone climate control to keep passengers nice and comfortable, and below there you will find a wireless phone charging pad to keep your smartphone topped up on the go. Moving along the centre console you will find the automatic parking brake and the manual gear stick alongside the cup holders and the armrest which opens up and also provides access to all of your media ports. Thank you for watching the video tour on this Nissan Qashqai, currently available at Motormatch Chester. For more information please contact one of our sales team.